the Muscadine is just about ready. Let's see. Okay, come over. Can you zero in on this spoon?
Yep.
See how this, when you do that, it sheets off like that. That means it's almost ready.
It's almost done.
So, or if you have a thermometer, you can do 220. So now we have to get busy to put this in the jar as soon as it gets 220. But this is a better test right here.
First she put those spoons in the freezer and got the spoons cold, and then we put a little bit in the spoons, and then you try it to see if it gets just by cooling it down quick, and that's the way you can do a quick test to see if you're getting close to it. Oops.
Then we'll check it. You keep checking it.
So now,
Keep stir the bottom.
okay, I can't read it because it's upside down. It looks like
It's
we're
not
getting very
good.
close, but not quite.
Better to be a little teeny bit over than under, or it'll be runny. You'll have more like pancake syrup instead of jam.
So we'll
So
be
it's
back.
only 202 and it's supposed to be 220.
Okay, so we'll be back putting it in the jars in a minute.